focus on Persistent System. Well, the numbers didn't look too bad, but the stock is under pressure. Reema joins us to run us through why that stock is under pressure. Well, Reema, I think the street didn't like what the management had to say, and valuations as well fairly elevated. Please go ahead.
Absolutely. So Persistent's Q4 numbers are good, in line with expectations. The company's revenue growth is above 3%. They've ended FY24 with a top-line growth of 14.5%. But what may have disappointed the street is the margin guidance. Now, the company held an analyst call at 8 a.m. in the morning where they said that during the next 12 months, given the challenging macro environment, our goal is to maintain top quartile growth while maintaining margins at the current level. So one, they're acknowledging that the environment remains challenging. Two, it appears that they're prioritizing growth over margins. And three, the most important thing is they're guiding for flat margins in FY25. Now, the street was hopeful of some margin expansion next year. I went back to the post-Q3 brokerage notes, which came out in January, and these are the numbers. As I said, these are 3 months back, the numbers that came out. Kotak was anticipating that FY25 margins will be at 14.9%, Nuvama is at 15.7%, and now it appears that FY25 margins will be similar to FY24 margins of 14.4%. So there could be some cut in the street expectations of the margins. Also, the company about a year back had said that our medium-term aspiration is to improve margins by 200 to 300 basis points. They didn't say medium-term is 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, but it does appear that 1 year down the line, since we haven't seen that margin improvement and next year we're not going to see it, maybe that gets also pushed forward. On demand, in the conference call, they said that the demand environment is exactly as it was 2 to 3 quarters back. But another factor for Persistent is because it's been such a fast-growing company, right? It's run up a lot. In the last 3 years, the stock has tripled 300% up, and the stock trades at elevated valuation multiples compared to peers at 35, 37 times. Back to you.
Right, Reema, thanks a lot for that. Well explained. No change in demand scenario, margins below what the street was anticipating, and a run-up in the stock price, leading to that decline that we're seeing on Persistent despite good numbers.